Okay, problem number 9, or let's say 8. So let's start with 9. A cuboid is 633. So if I will do cuboid 6 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. 6 3 are 18, 18 into 3, 54, right?
Yeah.
And a cube has the age of 6. So 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6.
No thinking needed in this.
No, though it look like no thinking needed, but you have to solve it because it's 3 mark problem. You have to solve it completely. 6 6 ja
6 are 36.
multiplied by 6.
36 multiplied by 6. 30
Sol-
into 6 is equal to 180. 180 plus 180 plus 36 is nothing. 180 is 200. 216, I think.
Yeah, 216. Yeah. Problem number 8. How many cubical volume of 8 can be filled
How
up?
many cubical blocks having volume 8 cubic centimeter can be fill up a box 12 centimeter long, 10 centimeter.
So
Basically,
basically,
you have to calculate
the bigger volume and the
divide.
divide. Yeah. So that is what? 12 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 8.
Yeah.
12 into 10 is 120.
120, 12
120.
multiplied by 8 is 96. So it will be 960 because there is an extra zero.
Yeah. So yeah, 960, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
960.
Yeah.
And 960.
And then how much it is? 8, right?
Yeah.
So what is the answer?
960 is 1 minus 8, 1. 6 to 2. 1, 2.
120 only, na? 128 into
Yes,
960.
yes.
Yeah. So like this. Answer is what?
120.
120. 8 is 120.
Yes.
Okay. Let's double check the answer. 80. Yeah. Problem number 7.
Yeah.
Okay. Problem number 7 is what?
An empty cubical carton is of size 9 centimeter. Can you fit in 1001 centimeter cubes in it?
No, we have already solved this problem.
Yeah, we've already have. And
Yeah.
9 into
Yeah,
9 is
9
81. 81 into 9 is 729.
yes.
Here we're talking about 1000, so not possible.
Anyway, if it is less than 10, it will not because
Yeah.
10 into 10 into 10 is 1000, right? Like that, yeah. Okay, the length of an ice cream brick is this
20
and width is
centimeters.
this. Ice cream brick. Okay, ice cream brick means what? Okay, anything. Okay.
Kind of cuboid, I think.
The volume of ice cream is this. What is the height of the brick? Very simple problem. L is
Volume
given.
divided by
Yeah.
L into B.
So what is this one? 1000 divided by
200.
20. Yeah, that is 200.
Which is equal to 5.
That is equal to 5. The answer
Yeah.
is 5. The seventh answer is problem is 5.
Yes.
Yeah. That should be 5. Yeah, very simple.
Yeah.
Okay. Problem number 6. Problem number 6 one you did, right?
The length of an ice cream. Oh, wait.
Yeah. Problem 5. A rectangular piece of.
Wood has a length of 30 centimeters and a square base with sides that measure 6 centimeters. What is the
This is
volume of
interesting
the piece of
problem.
wood?
See, this is interesting problem. Okay. What they are saying, there is a rectangular piece. Okay.
Yeah.
There is a rectangular piece like that. Okay.
Yeah.
But what they are saying that base is square, right?
Yeah.
The base is square. Okay.
Yes.
So what they are saying, the base is square. That means 6 into 6, right?
6 into 6 is 36.
Yeah.
And 30.
And wait, and then it has length. Basically, it's not a length. It should be height. Okay.
Yeah, it should be high.
Yeah.
Because
So they are changing the word, but it's again the way you say it's not a problem, but it should be like height, but it's okay. You got it right. That height is how much? 30 centimeters, right?
yeah. So 36 into 30.
What is the volume of the piece? 30.
Yeah, so 30,
30
30 into 3,
36.
30 into 3, 90. And 3 into 3 into 6.
Solve it normally. Now, why you are complexing your life? Just do it normal mathematics. 0, 0. And 3 6 are 18. Carry forward 1. 3 3 are 9 plus 1, 10. 1080.
No,
I hope that's the answer.
Yes, that's the answer when I did it before.
Okay, that's good. 1080. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4 is very simple.
No. Oh, there's a trick here. Conversion. Centimeter. But we know that 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter.
That was is important one, right?
So it's basically 5 centimeter. They are just saying it's
Wait. So 20 centimeter, 18 centimeter, and then they are saying 50 millimeter, right? 50 millimeter. 50 millimeter means what?
50 millimeter means 5 centimeter.
Milli means what?
Milli is the smallest.
What
Deka,
is-
hecta, kilo, deci, centimeter.
Deci centimeter means 1 upon 1000, right?
Yeah.
So
10
I can
millimeter is equal to 1
I
centimeter.
can say 50 divided by 1000 meter, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that is nothing but let's say I want centimeter.
Yeah.
Then 1 meter equal to how many centimeter?
1 meter is equal to
100
100 centimeter.
centimeter. So what I can do, I can remove this and write 100 centimeter here, right?
Yeah.
So like 2 0 will be gone from here and 1 0 will go from here. So what is the final answer? 5 centimeter.
Yeah. Another way to do this is 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter.
Yeah, that's also correct. 10 millimeter equal to 1 centimeter. That means 50 millimeter equal to 5 centimeter.
Yeah.
So
So
basically
20.
it's a 5 centimeter, okay?
Yeah.
So 20 into 18
No,
into,
there's a better way to this. If we multiply 20 by 50 first, we are going to get.
but I don't want to know because that 50 is now 5, na?
What?
Those that 50 converted into 5, na? That 50 millimeter now become 5 centimeter, na?
Yeah.
What all I have to do is 20 multiply by 18 multiply by 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay, 20, 18 5 are
18 5s are?
uh,
18 5s are 90.
90. 90 into 20,
90.
1800.
Yeah. 1800.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Question number 4, 1800. Yeah, correct.
1800. Yes.
Question number
Three.
3.
This is also very easy
Find the volume of a cuboid. No, it's not easy. You have to focus on this. Okay?
because there is double layer.
Yeah, double layer. It's like 1 for 3. This volume is like 1, 2, 3. 3 backward 6 multiplied by this 12. First answer is 12, right?
Yeah. 12.
12 is the first answer. Second one is how much?
4
4
into
into
4
5.
16.
16. Are you sure?
Yeah. 4 into
12
4
into
16.
16.
So second one is bigger.
12 and 16. So which is
Yeah.
bigger?
Second one.
No, they are not asking bigger and smaller. They are asking find the volume. So that volume is
Yeah.
12 centimeter cube and 16 centimeter cube. Okay.
A heap of wood is a pile of 5 decimeter wide, 9 decimeter long, and 3 decimeter high.
Very easy problem.
Yeah,
9
5
5
and 9
45,
by
45,
45
into
into 3. 40 into 3 is 120, and 3 into 3 is
15.
equal
3
to.
into 5,
Oh, yeah.
15, so 135. Do one thing, you do normal mathematics here.
Okay.
Okay. Now you don't do over mental math. Exam में mental की जरूरत नहीं है. Okay, with age is 3 centimeter. So 3 into 3 into 3. So 3 3 are 9, 3 are 27. So that's the answer. Okay, so 27 and 135 is the answer. Okay.
Yeah.